Cisco, but Cisco to Juniper or Palo Alto or any other devices. LLDP is a standard protocol. It's nothing to do with any vendor. It's a discovery protocol like CDP, but it's a vendor neutral Cisco neighboring discovery protocol, like similar to CDP, and can also run on the Cisco devices as well. So LLDP is supported by all the other vendors. So if you are connecting to non-Cisco devices, then it is better to run the LLDP. So difference between LLDP, CDP, both are same protocol, both are the layer 2 protocol. The difference is CDP run only between Cisco and Cisco, LLDP run between Cisco and non-Cisco devices at the same time. It does the same job, same protocol, same configuration. As you can see, LLDP run, you can interface level, you can switch on and off LLDP feature anyway. Configure and verify, same command, show LLDP neighbor detail. Okay, so this is about the LLDP.